Hello, welcome to the TV room. I've had a bit of a rest. David Bradley here. So here is something, once again, that shouldn't be happening. It's a Vic-20. It should be happening. It's a lovely thing. It's a two-prong model. The power switch is two. Well, I can get it kind of working. There are no notes. It looks pretty clean. But right at this second, because of the... Oh, I don't like when I have to... No, I don't want to snap these into place. I don't want to snap these into place. The little fingers are all together. Well, I guess I won't then. Anyway, this Vic-20 needs to be assessed, but I don't really have a way right at this second to assess it. Made in Canada. So, but I do want to put something on it. So I'll take out a data card and a Sharpie. Oh, Vic-20. No clue. V249541. Thing seems complete. Test. Oh, Canada. Now, if you recall, somewhere down here, I have a bag with lots of screws. So I'm not going to put 3 in. I will take one screw thing and one screwdriver. Why is that not going in? What have I done? What have I done? It should be. Maybe sitting like that does not wind up nice. Okay, so there. And I'll set this down. These ones have a tendency to sit nicely on their ends. I've just got to make sure I don't drop it and thunk it and hurt it. This can go back in the bucket. It can... Well, I do see a little bit of progress on the floor here. But there's so much more to do here. But we're getting there, because I've got other stuff to bring in and other stuff to test. And such, I do. But I gotta find another power supply for two-prong for the Vic-20. I know I have one around somewhere. Alright, let's see. This thing. Oh, yeah. This is parts of an Amiga 500. And the board is here. Well, I'm just going to slide that over there because I can. I've got this mysterious box here. I don't know. Oh. It's computer paper and other such things. That too can get out of here. Oh, look. Here's a pillow. There's no pillowcase. Oh, no, this is good stuff. Gotta make sure I remember where this is. This is for packing things. It is anyway. Well, even that little bit is not terrible. I can kind of almost see the floor. This too will get moved. This is another Vic-20, but it has stuff. Vic-20 9-volt board needed video adjusting. Omega race okay. Keyboard okay. No torture. Lovely and clean. Colors okay. Sound okay. Joystick okay. And somebody, of course, Dymo tape. That was a beautiful thing back in the day. I used to love Dymo tape. User ports, tape cassette port, serial port, video port. Beautiful. And the machine itself is pretty good. So that too, I'm going to move out of here onto a pile. And that can get out of here. And I am starting to possibly be able to see the floor. But we're not there yet. We're not there yet, but that can maybe sit there. Actually, you know what I should do? Now, the funny thing about this is there's stuff in here. Oh, a print shop reference card. And then there is like paper. But farther down, there's like other paper. I guess what this was designed, and we used to do this, is to reuse stuff. There's stuff on this side that's probably rather insignificant and probably from somebody's work. But they said, hey, look at that. You know what we can do? Yeah. All kinds of numbery things. We can load that into our printer. And we can use that for something else. That's part or assembly. Employee total, employed. Oh, it's even got some names on here. Bonnie Simpson, Derek, whatever. Direct labor performance report. Interesting. Anyway, but this paper can be reused. It's very light, it's very thin, but it can be reused. Oh, and there's more. Same kind of stuff. Big wads of it. Okay. And the print shop reference card. I think what I'm going to do, I will move this out of here. But I will mark it. Now, is it marked anywhere? Oh, right on this end here. Paper. And now that I've had a time to think about it for a moment, tractor paper. Ta-da! Alright, so I'll set that gently there, and I will get this stuff out of here. So, progress. Not much progress, but a little progress. Alright, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now. David Bradley signing off. Sorry.